The paradox of the immovable object is like a brain teaser that gets people thinking really hard about two things that don't seem like they can both be true at the same time. Imagine something so heavy and solid it cannot be pushed or pulled by any force. This is the immovable object. Now, think of a force so strong that nothing can stop it. This is the irresistible force. The big question is what occurs if these two meet? Can they both exist, or does one make the other impossible? This is a classic puzzle because it deals with ideas that are extreme and don't fit nicely into what we usually see in the world or even in science. It's like trying to picture something bigger than space or a number higher than the highest one you can think of. By themselves, both ideas, the unstoppable force and the unmovable object, make sense. But when you try to imagine them together, it gets confusing because they seem to cancel each other out. A paradox is a situation where two statements or ideas contradict each other, but also somehow seem true. The paradox of the immovable object takes this concept to the ultimate test. On one hand, we have the immovable object, an object that cannot be moved, no matter how much force is applied to it. It's like a mountain that can't be budged, no matter what. On the other hand, we have the irresistible force, which is a force that can move anything, no matter how heavy or anchored it might be. It's like the ultimate wind that can blow away anything in its path. So what happens when they meet?